Welcome everyone to my new price prediction video for late December 2023 on SATS cryptocurrency out here. One of a kind that has been performing remarkable in the price action. But at the same time, I'm raising certain alarms that you gotta be careful with cryptocurrencies which are listed on major exchanges, that the selling pressure, once that happens, is actually increasing, not decreasing. So you want to see SATS out here on the trendings, and you continuously see that along the way with the biggest gainers. For the past couple of days, it has been taking up the volume. I mean, to be ranked number one on the volume across the entire space, $382 million. We had days with bigger volume as well. This is just pretty much remarkable. It's kind of normal when you're out there on Binance. And I want you to know that 1000 SATS or SATS pretty much refers to the same asset. Which is why you got to consider the fact that about SATS, it pretty much explains this right here. It's a BRC20 token. Please note that it's a meme token, guys, so you need to consider that as well at the end of the day. When it comes down to the charts and price session, we're going to dive into very soon. Before, make sure to check out my YouTube channel. We have 100 video episodes of price predictions for 2024, and you want to see those ones as well. We have daily videos of price predictions for all sorts of cryptocurrencies out there that you can consider. So subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and ask me any form of a question in the comments area, including the ability for you to participate in our ChatGPT AI bot trading. No prior fee, only commission from the profits achieved, where we perform the trading for you through API trading permission. The commission is paid by you every 7 days, just like I said, based on performance. This is my trading spreadsheet. I'm going to talk about it at the end, including about the one-on-one coaching program on how to become a professional trader. Whether you want to do this part-time or full-time, you need to learn how to do it professionally speaking. So this is a one-on-one coaching with me, guys. As well, I'm going to talk about it at the end of the video. What's happening on the side of SATS? Well, it is a situation of a massive explosion, especially after it has been listed on Binance and OKX. Things got pretty wild. And as you already know, people enjoy meme tokens. That's the reality. That's where a lot of the people put their money, which is something that we have seen in all bullish phases and scenarios and cycle. People got massively into meme tokens. They managed to make big money, but at the same time, I'm going to honestly tell you that the majority is in minus when it comes down to the meme coins. Why is that so? Well, the major part of being in minus is the sentimental type of trading based on instincts. More exactly, people are finding themselves extremely greedy around these cryptos, hoping for numbers they pretty much read around the corner on YouTube or so, and dreaming that with every single $100 anyone can make their first $1 million by sitting in a meme coin, which is not only false, but it is outrageously it's outrageously dirty. I mean, this is what the market is portraying you in the media ways because they want your volume, and that's it. The reality is exactly the opposite in 99.999% of the chances. So be careful, guys. Do not expect with every $100 you're a million. If you make your profits, if you enjoy the process, you definitely need to be careful. The risk management part for meme tokens is the hardest thing, but it's also the most important one. So when it comes down to the current situation, we have been listed, which means that the exchange is running SATS, especially on the Binance side, and this is an important thing due to the fact that any type of behavior of a meme token prior of listing is one thing in a specific schedule, and then it's totally different, guys, once it has been listed. It's totally different. Usually the huge accumulations and movements are always appearing before it is listed and during the listing time. Straight afterwards, it's pretty much hard for the cryptocurrencies to keep up the large buying energies after they did printed major increases in a short period of time. 3 days of price movement representing 346% for SATS. This is obviously something that others have leveraged. Think about on a 5x leverage, this is 15,000%. Sorry, it's 1,500%. Wish I was 15,000% out here, so 1,500%. It's still 15x. That's what I most likely refer to with a 15x on the board. 10x is also great, but 15x, think about on your margin, which means if you put into 10k, you are ending your 3 days and 12 hours in 150,000 in your account. Imagine you go out there in a holiday and you come back and you have 115 grand in your account from 10,000. Imagine. Now that's possible basically with this kind of cryptos, but at the same time I'm telling you that people with 1 million can get down to 0 or to 10,000 with these cryptos as well. So you need to be careful on which side of the boat would you like to be. If the movement has been made, then it means it has been made. It doesn't have to be repeated. Please keep those things in mind as well. So anyone out here made profits, great for you guys. An amazing job. Make sure you are making those profits existent and realize, and they are starting to worth something. Whether you invest them in something in your future, in your education, in things you enjoy in life, reward yourself, but do something. People that join my coaching have lost huge amounts of money by not taking the unrealized profits on the realized form. During previous bull markets, during all sorts of increases and investments they did, by being greedy and dreaming about numbers, all sorts of YouTubers and the community of that project has been portraying, causing no action. Yeah, the markets have been retracing, dumping, and finding lows, which means they were entering in a heavy psychological trading mode, and it was pretty much impossible to get out of it, creating basically the conclusion of an empty pocket. Now, this is where we are. We have a very strong demand level located on 6,000 on the price action, and then the supply at the top, which is located on 8,500, between 8,000. So there is a massive liquidity on board as well that we got to deal with. Any form of retracement here is going to touch as well the 100 days moving average. 50 days is right there on the golden pocket right now, so we're still getting supported by this specific action. A zigzag here would not be a bad idea for the SATS at the end of the day, but still the markets gotta find themselves in a situation where the entry is going to worth to take it, which means that we need a clear conjunction of bullishness around the price action, indication, and patterns out there, including the strategy must be bullish as well. So it's not just about how does the other essential things are portraying themselves. That's it where we are. You need to consider for price prediction of 2023 December that I want SATS to retake the supply level at the top and confirm support above it on a double bottom. If that does not happen, I'm not going to take the ability to, handle SATS basically for an upcoming continuation, which by the way would be great to see. Anything around 1.2722 and 1.4014. Those are the levels, which is like 11,400 on the price section and 12,500. But first, I need to get it confirmed above the supply level. Once we get that, we're ready to break out at the top in a healthy way. If we don't get confirmed above supply, we might break the top, but then quickly retrace by not having the proper structure needed for the breakout. The preparation stage, the training side. Before you get out there and do something, you prepare. Otherwise, you're not going to survive it. So this is how it happens with the markets as well. That's it around the corner with SATS. Huge amount of volume, huge risks involved, but a huge payout as well, especially before the things have been listed in the exchanges. After they get listed, things are slowing down and they become like other major altcoins out there on the meme side, of course, which are no longer performing, just dreaming. Now, of course, SATS is still at the beginning, and it has that ability of taking the momentum continuously higher and higher. And at the end of the day, when we speak about the nature of the pump, when you got people liquidating and stuffed out with the ones that are shorting and the new people chasing the pump, things can go very, very wild, guys, for these cryptos. Beautiful. That's it for the moment. Once again, like the video, subscribe, and let me know your prediction on the SATS in the comments area. As well, if you would like to be part of the AI bot trading, no prior fee, only commission from the profits made, you will be able to see our performance on the spreadsheet and qualify for a free conversation with me, including the ability for you to get the proper education around the trading side. This is a one-on-one coaching with me in order to make you a professional trader, transform you into a professional trader from A to Z by taking you by hand, sharing with me sharing with you my screen and teaching you how to understand the language of the market in order to be able to react to that. If you don't understand the language of the market, simply said through charts, you're not going to be able to understand what is it communicates with you and react to those. So this is a live coaching program, one-on-one, intensively and comprehensively. Register now to find out more information, jump on a free call with me, and you have the ability to check the video as well for detailed explanation. We'll talk to you soon, guys. Enjoy your day.